let's talk about ChatGPT. This AI tool is incredibly versatile and can handle everything from content creation to customer services. So let's just open ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is generative pre-trained transformer. ChatGPT is from a company called OpenAI, and OpenAI specialize in AI research and AI intelligence. The first thing that we want to do when we open ChatGPT to write a blog is to think about our prompt. Now, the prompt is the most important thing when it comes to generating good quality content. Typically, when we use ChatGPT, we can type in things like, write me a blog post for my business, and you might add a little bit of context. You might say who your business is. What I want you to do is think about as much context as you can. Tell ChatGPT who your business is. So let's see this example here. Generate a highly SEO optimized blog for a company called Eco Home Solutions. The topic is, and then give it a topic for the blog. Now, if you don't know what the topic is, you can also use ChatGPT to generate that as well. But for now, let's just follow this. The topic is the benefits of sustainable home improvements. Focus on the following keywords, and then I've given it a list of keywords to use. From here, then we want to focus on the following keywords. Now, if you're not sure what your keywords are, you want to add in generic or key points that you would use for your website or your blog in the content. For example, follow or focus on sustainable home improvements, eco-friendly renovations, energy efficiency, and more. And then the last thing that we want to do with our prompt is to include sections of importance. Look at FAQs, headings, lists, and more. And what we're going to do now is submit that to ChatGPT and let it go off and write the content. And instantly you will see that ChatGPT will use your topic, your headings, and also the breakdown in which you asked it to focus on importance. So when you finish, or when ChatGPT completes the blog, it's not done there. You now want to go through the content, assess what it's done, and provide suitable feedback. Let's say, for example, here, it hasn't included FAQs. So let's say, please add additional FAQs for this content. Again, by typing in that additional bit of context, we can help ChatGPT understand what's missing or what still needs to be added. You'll see now that ChatGPT has added a form of FAQs. The more information I have, or the more context, I can then add that into our content and really optimize the content for success.